and everything will be fine. Like everything will work out. Obviously, not everything always goes well, and it's not like it all works out for the best all the time. But I just don't think stress has had any place in my life since I was a kid.
What was the experience like of you being selected to be the first human being to have a Neuralink device implanted in your brain? Were you scared? Excited?
No, no, it was cool. Um, like I was, I was never afraid of it. I had to think through a lot. Should I should I do this? Like be the first person. I could wait until number two or three and get a better version of the Neuralink. Like the first one might not work. Maybe it's actually gonna kind of suck. It's going to be the worst version ever in a person. So why would I do the first one? Like I've already kind of been selected. I could just tell them, like, okay, find someone else and then I'll do number two or three. Like I'm sure they would let me. They're looking for a few people anyways. But ultimately I was like, I don't know, there's something about being the first one to do something. It's pretty cool. I always thought that if I had the chance that I would like to do something for the first time, this seemed like a pretty good opportunity. And I was never scared. I think my like faith had a huge part in that. I always felt like God was preparing me for something. I almost wish it wasn't this because I had many conversations with God about not wanting to do any of this as a quadriplegic. I told him, I'll go out and talk to people. I'll go out and travel the world and talk to, stadiums, thousands of people, give my testimony. I'll do all of it, but like heal me first. Don't make me do all of this in a chair. That sucks. Um, and I guess he won that argument. I didn't really have much of a choice. I always felt like there was something going on. And to see how, I guess, easily I made it through the interview process and how quickly everything happened, how the stars sort of aligned with all of this, it it just told me, like as the surgery was getting closer, it just told me that it was all meant to happen. It was all meant to be. And so I shouldn't be afraid of anything that's to come. And so I wasn't. I kept telling myself, like, you say that now, but as soon as the surgery comes, you're probably going to be freaking out. Like, you're about to have brain surgery, and brain surgery is a big deal for a lot of people, but it's a even bigger deal for me. Like, it's all I have left. The amount of times I've been like, thank you, God, that you didn't take my brain and my personality and my ability to think, my like love of learning, like my character, everything. Like, thank you so much. Like, as long as you left me that, then I think I can get by. And I was about to let people go, like root around in there, like, hey, we're gonna go like put some stuff in your brain, like hopefully it works out. Um, and so it was something that gave me pause. But like I said, how smoothly everything went. I never expected for a second that anything would go wrong. Plus, the more people I met on the Barrows side and on the Neuralink side, they're just the most impressive people in the world. Like, I can't speak enough to how much I trust these people with my life and how impressed I am with all of them. And to see the excitement on their faces, to like walk into a room and roll into a room and see all of these people looking at me like we're so excited. Like we've been working so hard on this and it's finally happening. It's super infectious and it just makes me want to do it even more and to help them achieve their dreams. Like, I don't know, it's so rewarding and I'm so happy for all of them, honestly.
What was the day of surgery like?